If you're looking to start an online business venture but currently at a crossroads and uncertain about what to offer your potential customers, then I encourage you to watch this video until the end. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 really super business product ideas that requires a little to no money to start, but have the potential to yield substantial profits when sold online. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. It won't cost you a thing. On this channel, we talk about money, and if you're all about making money online, creating and building wealth, then this is the right place and community for you. I'm super excited to be sharing with you 5 low-cost, highly profitable business income ideas that you can start at home and which have the potential to yield a great income and to seriously transform your life for you to become financially free. I know there are many who are stuck in the idea phase of starting their business and as a result won't even take that crucial first step to jump in and start. And I get that because we all want to choose a product with the highest chance of success rate. So let's dive into more detail about each of these product categories. Number 1 is digital product. They are things that you can create on your computer and sell online. There are so many advantages to selling digital products. You don't need to worry about storing them, shipping fees, or fixing any problems with them. You make the product once and it sells over and over again. One popular digital product is online courses. With all the software and tools available, it's easier than ever to create a course and put it online. It's probable you have some of them and they're free to use. It's so much more accessible to create a course and put it up online yourself. It doesn't cost much money to get started either. Once your course is made and is up and running, people can pay to access it. It can make money for you without you having to do a lot of extra work. It becomes a source of passive income that will keep generating income for you for years to come without you having to do the work every time you make a sale. People always want to learn new things, practice an existing skill, or just simply want to start a new hobby for fun. So there's always going to be a demand. Just take a few minutes to think about all the things you're good at that other people asked you about or admire your skill in. It's time for you to identify the skill or hobby you have and then make a course about it. For instance, things you do for fun can be turned into a profitable online course. Start out using your phone's camera and free editing software like iMovie. Your course can be taught using Google presentation slides and then add in your voice. Artwork is another digital product you can sell. Customers can buy and download your digital art and print it themselves. It's a good way to reach many more customers because you are making your artwork accessible to them. Digital art can become a passive income stream. It's very much more cost effective to create as well. If you already have a computer or a tablet, then you have all the canvases you'll ever need. If you have a stylus on your computer, then you have all the paintbrushes and pencils you'll ever need. They're all built into it. You can also design and sell templates using a free Canva account. You don't need to get fancy with custom fonts or using their paid graphic. Canva templates are so in demand, such as hearty invitations, thank you notes, color colouring books, or social media templates. There are so many things you can make and sell using Canva. Number 2 is skincare products. Let's look at body scrub. These are products you use to exfoliate your skin and make it feel smooth. To give you an idea of how little this costs, the ingredients in body scrubs are things like sugar, coffee, ground salt, and an oil of your choice, such as coconut or olive oil. You can make several bottles of a body scrub with one round of ingredients, and the market for body scrubs has been growing steadily every year because people are always looking to buy because they like them and it makes their skin look and feel so much better. Lotions are also used to moisturize the skin. You can create your own lotions with just a few simple ingredients. Many people use lotions every day, so there's a steady demand. Number 3 is hair care products. Hair masks. These are treatments for your hair to make it healthier and look better. You can create hair masks using natural ingredients like coconut oil, honey, and aloe vera. People are interested in natural hair care products, so there's a demand for these. Number 4 is essential oil. Let's talk about aromatherapy because these are essential oils and can be used for aromatherapy. They smell good, which means they can make you feel better mentally and physically. You can make your own essential oils by distilling them or mixing existing oils. People are willing to pay for essential oils because they believe in their health benefits and they can help them with things like stress and sleep. Number 5 is jewellery. Jewellery is timeless fashion. Jewellery never goes out of style. People wear it to accessorize and make themselves look more attractive. You can sell jewellery online and set your own prices. You can use affordable materials and you can create beautiful pieces that people are willing to buy and make a good profit. Why not use your creativity and experiment with various materials and techniques to create unique jewellery? Mixing or putting together different materials, colours and styles can help your jewellery stand out in a competitive market. Guys, please remember the key to success in any of these areas is not just creating the products, but also marketing and presenting them effectively, building a strong online presence, using social media, and having a user-friendly website or platform to sell your product are essential steps to making your venture successful. Keep in mind also that good customer service to build a loyal customer base. Guys, I hope you find value in this video, and if so, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next. Bye for now.